guys, it's Inspiring Vanessa here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I wanted to vlog this event that I'm going to. It's all about TikTok, and as you guys know that I have a TikTok account, and I just wanted to know on different ways on how to grow my TikTok account. That's basically what the event is going to be about. It's going to be like a Q&A, and then other I think smaller TikTok accounts are going to be there as well. So basically we're going to be learning a lot of information about how to grow our TikTok accounts, and I thought it would be fun to film this and do a vlog about it. So without further ado, let's go straight into this video.
Welcome to the TikTok career panel. This is our first industry event in London, and we're here to tell you about how the ecosystem of our fast-growing app works. So thank you so much for coming. I know it's super nice outside, so I'm just really happy that everyone's here. So show of hands, who's heard of TikTok? Then at the end, we have the networking and the TikTok sway. So we have this lovely set of food, drinks, and there's also alcoholic beverages as well. So what is TikTok? We have an awesome video that, that shows you a little bit about us this year.
There was a lot of growth, a lot of product evolution.
So it's really nice to work on new products and bring new products to new markets.
Enable people to express themselves, embrace who they are, accept who they are, and also connect with others.
Collaborative, open, dynamic, and exciting.
And I think no day is the same than the other day, so it's always changing and it's very fast paced.
Secure revenue for the company. We have a suite of ad products that we've developed, and we're basically going out and pitching to various different clients and agencies and seeing if they want to advertise on TikTok. So we've been out pitching and working with lots of movie studios and sportswear brands, and just offering them the different things we can do on TikTok and working with them to kind of engage with and excite our community and try and leverage our brand values for that of their brand. And it's been going pretty well so far, and hopefully it will continue growing as the year goes on. One thing to mention, if you've got the app, please definitely check out one of our hashtag challenges. It's 5 at the minute. It's for a designer some people may have heard of called Burberry. So definitely check that out and get involved, and hopefully it'll give you an idea of what TikTok is all about.
On other social media platforms, you know, it's all quite polished, it's perfect, it's almost like opening a magazine at this point. But I feel like there was really a space for a platform where people were encouraged, not only enabled, but also highly encouraged to just be themselves, you know, to just show themselves at home in their living room as they go about their daily lives. The platform and the tools in the platform encourage everyone to be a creator. And I think because we removed that barrier to being a creator, I think we really tapped into a need that was there in terms of what you can do on social platforms.